Imagine a world 76 years from now. The scale of change will be immense, fundamentally altering human existence. What will the world of 2100 look like? Prepare to be shocked. Welcome. We are diving deep into the most dramatic transformations awaiting humanity by the year 2100. This isn't just incremental progress. This is a paradigm shift. Think about the gap between 1940 and today. Now, project that exponential progress forward. The speed of technological and societal evolution is accelerating, making 2100 almost unrecognizable. The most dramatic changes will span technology, environment, and our very social structures. We're talking about climate battles, space colonization, and an AI-driven society. First, let's look at the technological revolution. The leaps we will make in the next 76 years will dwarf the progress of the last century. Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, will be ubiquitous. It won't just assist us. AGI will manage infrastructure, innovate scientific breakthroughs, and reshape nearly every human job. Personalized medicine, powered by AI, will unlock radical life extension. Diseases we fear today will be managed or eliminated, pushing average human lifespans well past 100. On the energy front, expect fusion power to reach maturity. Combined with advanced battery storage and global smart grids, the world's energy crisis will become a historical footnote. Now for the tough realities. Environmental and planetary shifts. The damage we've done requires extraordinary intervention. By 2100, massive geoengineering projects, from atmospheric carbon capture to solar radiation management, may be implemented as last-ditch efforts to stabilize the climate. Rising sea levels will necessitate redefining major coastlines. Coastal cities will either build massive flood defenses or undergo planned relocation further inland. The year 2100 will see permanent, self-sustaining settlements on Mars and the Moon, turning humanity into a truly multi-planetary species. Technology fundamentally changes how we live, work, and relate to one another. What does society look like when most material needs are met? Automation and near-zero marginal costs in production will usher in a form of post-scarcity economics, requiring universal basic income or services to distribute the benefits of automated wealth. Work will shift away from labor and towards creativity, complex strategy, and maintaining the AGI ecosystem. Leisure and personal growth will become central to human purpose. Hyperfast, ubiquitous global connectivity, perhaps driven by neural implants or advanced VR, will blend cultures and accelerate global collaboration like never before. We have explored a world transformed by AGI, life extension, clean energy, space colonies, and massive societal restructuring. From overcoming climate challenges through radical tech to living among the stars and fundamentally redefining work, the scale of these changes is truly shocking. The future is coming, and it starts with the decisions we make today. Are you ready to shape the world of 2100?